Ooh, the jerks on my fingers, that was so nice. Yoja Chingu, Yorome! Yeah. Did I say that right? I think so. I don't know, I'm trying. Anyways, this is GFRIEND, Summer Rain. Yes. Oh, I'm so excited to see this because GFRIEND is just love and wonderful, and their aesthetics are just so nice, and everything about them is just pretty and aesthetic and wonderful, and you just feel something. You're just like, GFRIEND, you complete me. Anyways, enough about my GFRIEND rant. You're not here for that. You're here to watch Summer Rain and see what I have to say. So I'm really excited. I haven't seen the video, but I bet it's gonna be beautiful. With that, let's get into it. Oh, some nice slow-mo rain out the gate. Oh, that was a great way to start the beat. Wow, they're doing like some ballet moves here to start things off. Nice. A lot of slow-mo rain. Super pretty. Just her looking off. Little drips. Ooh, so much rain. Hanging out with this flower. Yeah, you smell it, girl. What's up, Shindy? Wow. They're just all out here in the rain. With sunflowers. Whoa, that blue dress. It's looking real cool. Oh, that move was cool. Okay. Whoa! That was cool, Fest. They make the rain so pretty because it's slow-mo. Slow-mo rain. Gotta love the piano. Oh, what do you see? Yeah, get your umbrella up. It's rain season. Oh, writing letters in the dark. She have little hearts on her nails? That's cute. Oh, it's in the park! That's fun. Rainbows! Yeah, way to see the good things. Yes. Summer, yeah, it's raining, but rainbows. Ooh, the jerks on her fingers. That was so nice. Good touch. Reading old journals. Ooh, look at this lighting. Look at those boxes. Oh, the lighting's nice. The lighting in all these scenes are pretty cool. Aw, what's that letter say? Ooh, nice Oreo there. Why'd you drop your phone? What is that face? What's going on? Oh, we're throwing letters out? Oh. What's going on, girls? Oh, that outfit. That blue? Hell yeah. That's the shot. I like the coloring of that outdoor scene. It's like glistens of purple. The letters are getting washed away, like your past. Yeah, wash it all off. Yeah, just cleanse yourself. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be better. Oh, she don't look so sad, girl. It's gonna be okay. Is this an outro piano part? Oh, wow, how nice. Wow, her room is cool. Oh, everyone ends feeling better. Yeah, it's gonna be okay. Oh, I like that outro text. Oh. G-Friend. Gosh, it's gonna take everything in me to not just binge a bunch of G-Friend now, because there's a few other videos I haven't seen. But wow, that was nice. Let me know what you think in the comment. What do you think the rain analogy is? I want to know. I feel like I can see it going a few different ways. But I mean, I gave you my interpretation of the video. But yeah, summer rain, yorumbi, very interesting. I love the way they play with like every possible like nice, beautiful, like cinematographic thing you could do with rain and like slow motion and all that stuff. They did it and it was nice and I loved it. So I'm feeling good right now. G-Friend brings the feels, if anything, and that's what I love about them. So much rich, beautiful, yet like pure emotion. It's just good. It's just good stuff, yo. It's just good stuff. So as you can tell, I'm a G-Friend fan. Friend? Buddy? Alright, enough about me, y'all. Y'all don't want to hear me talk. You want to watch more videos, so I'll let you go on. Thanks for hanging out. Watch some more other G-Friend stuff. It's all fun. It's all good. And hit that subscribe button because we can be friends and it's fun. So with that, see y'all very, very soon. Brando Moon.